All right, cheers. Cheers to Tenerife.
Yeah, cheers.
Yeah. All right.
Very close to here.
What
This
is?
La Laguna City.
Yeah.
So very close to here, you can see Tegueste City. From here, 3 kilometers from here. Okay. There is an. I think it's the best for me. It's the best important
Mural.
mirror. Yeah, from here for that kind of rock.
Oh, let's see.
Not in Gran Canaria. It's here in Tenerife.
I know. What is it?
Yeah.
Where?
You know, in Tegueste. Tegueste City.
Oh, type it in.
So,
Type it in your phone.
sorry?
Show me it.